Hello aspirants, I am Indumati Karthikeyan from InKar IAS Academy. Today we are going to see about the 19th December current affairs. The topic is taken from the Delhi edition. The topic is Section 6A of the Citizenship Act, why it falls Assam. So the topic comes under our GS3 government policies and intervention for development in various sectors and issues arising out of the design and implementation. Why it is in the news? First of all, it seems the court wrote the judgment to merely justify the enactment of the Section 6A. The ruling fails to address the key constitutional concerns, particularly those regarding the cultural and demographic impact on the Assam's indigenous people. And also, there is a top court recent ruling upholding the constitutional validity of the Section 6A fails to address the key constitutional concerns, particularly those that impact the Assam people. The 4.1 majority ruling by a constitutional bench of the Supreme Court of India upheld the constitutional validity of the Section 6A of the Citizenship Act is significant. This provision established a distinctive framework for migrants from the former East Pakistan who settled in Assam, allowing them to acquire Indian citizenship if they arrived before March 25, 1971. It is worth analyzing the judgment for the constitutional violation and were overlooked by the majority decision. First of all, the judgment seems to suffer from arbitrary reasoning. The Chief Justice of India, D.V. Chandrachud, will, while justifying the test of Article 14, taking out of the Assam against the state and through other states, West Bengal, it's around a 2,216.7 kilometer, and Meghalaya 443 kilometer, Tripura 856 kilometer, and finally Mizoram 318 kilometer share a larger border with Bangladesh as compared to Assam, only a 263 kilometer. The magnitude of the influx of Assam and its impact of the cultural and political right of the Assamese and tribal population is higher. The impact of the 40 lakh migrants in Assam may considerably greater than the impact of 57 lakhs migrants in the West Bengal because the Assam lesser population and the land area compared to the West Bengal. This is the Assam is based on the rational consideration. First of all, what is the Section 6A of Indian Constitution? Section 6A of Indian Constitution, that is Citizenship Act 1955, is a contentious and provision that has sparked intense debate, particularly in Assam, enacted through an amendment in 1985 following the Assam Accord. The section outlines a special provision for granting the citizenship to individuals who enacted the Assam from Bangladesh, that is formerly East Pakistan, before certain cut-off dates. However, it has faced a significant criticism for the perceived failure to address Assamese unique socio-political and cultural concern. Here, why the Section 6A is seen as a falling Assam. First of all, the contradiction with the indigenous right. The Assam has a rich and diverse indigenous population that has long been concerned about preserving the identity, culture, and resources. The Section 6A allows a regularization to immigration up to 1971, which critics argue undermine that right and interest of the indigenous Assamese people. And the second thing is a violation of the national cut-off dates, that for the rest of India, the cut-off date for granting the citizenship under the Citizenship Act 1948, the Section 6A sets a later date for the March 21, 1971 for Assam. This is the exception case, though there is a discriminatory and disproportionality burden Assam compared to other states, and also there is a demographic impact. There is an influx of migrants both before the and after the 1971 has significantly altered the Assamese demographic configuration, and also many Assamese people feel that threatens their political representation, economic opportunities, and also for the cultural heritage. The administrative challenge also there, that is a process has been criticized, the inefficient, opaque, and also there is a prone to errors leading to the prolonged uncertainty. So this is create a social tension between the peoples, and also there's a tension and unrest is happening in the indigenous community, migrants, and also further polarizing the communities. And also there's a conflict with the National Register of Citizenship. That is one of the major issue. That is a NRC is updated in Assam, aim to identify the illegal immigrants and also exclude the state's electoral and also citizenship rules. However, the criteria used in NRC process of Section 68 has created legal procedural contradiction, complicating the further situation, and also there is a judicial scrutiny is required. That's currently 6A is under judicial review by the Supreme Court of India. Critics argue and violates the constitutional principle of equality and fairness by imposing the unique burden on the Assam area, that is a without addressing any long-term consequences. So these are the main issues now arising out of the debate, and also there is a way forward. We need to address these issues. Policymakers and stakeholders need to consider the reform. First of all, they can consider it. They can give the solution for them. First of all, to revisit the date of the citizenship. I mean the cutoff date of the citizenship, and also we need to strengthening the mechanism and also protect the indigenous right of the people in socio-economic and cultural manner. And also we need to give the transparency and efficiency by implementing the citizenship related to the provision. So section 6A remains in the deeply divisive issue, symbolizing the broader challenge and also balancing national policies and regional sensitivities. For Assam, resolving the matter is critical for ensuring harmony and also there's a sustainable development. Thank you so much.